Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sonal from USA. I know you're missing my vlogs from long time, right? It's really long. I've been really busy, could not get the time. But I promise that I have some vlogs lined up for you which are the best. But today I have a special announcement. So before that, Diwali is coming up. So आप सबको मेरी तरफ से दिवाली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, दिवाळीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. घरी रहा, सेफ रहा, बहुत सारे फटाके उड़ाओ, बट बी सेफ एंड घर में रह के सेलिब्रेट करो. वी डोंट वांट टू spread the COVID, but definitely enjoy the festivity. So dress up, click pictures and eat lots of sweets. एंड यूएस में आ रहा है थैंक्सगिविंग. सो एडवांस में सबको हैप्पी थैंक्सगिविंग. सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं त्योहारों में? त्योहारों में हम लोग खाते हैं, अच्छे से तैयार होते हैं. वी ईट लॉट ऑफ स्वीट. थैंक्सगिविंग ऑल्सो इज अ टाइम वेयर वी गेट टुगेदर विद फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, हैव नाइस थैंक्सगिविंग डिनर. टर्की कुक होता है and it's the time when we exchange the gifts. You are right, exchanging the gifts. So I am here today with the giveaway. Ta-da! आप सोच रहे ये सब क्या है? ये देखिए, this is where I am coming. Guys, let's hear it how. But before that, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि गिव अवे किस लिए? त्योहार है इसके लिए. बिकॉज दिवाली आ रही है, थैंक्सगिविंग आ रहा है, इसके लिए हम लोग कर रहे हैं ये बहुत सारे गिव अवे. नॉट जस्ट फ्री गिफ्ट्स, फ्री ज्ञान. मैं HR से हूँ, जैसे कि आप जानते हो, और आई रियली लव टू शेयर माई information, knowledge, whatever I have gained experience with all of you. Anything I really love. So today I am here with these giveaways. Now these giveaways are very easy to get. इसके लिए कुछ भी नहीं करना है आपको, literally कुछ नहीं करना है, because you really don't have to pay anything. और नॉर्मली जैसे होता है क्रेडिट कार्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन लो, कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. सिर्फ मैं एक नीचे लिंक दूंगी, जो लिंक में आपको क्लिक करना है. दैट लिंक इज फ्रॉम kingsumo.com, but that is basically my personalized link for Sonal from USA. So आप जब वहां जाओगे गिव अवे के लिए, आपको फर्स्ट करना है क्लिक. उसमें क्लिक करने के बाद आपको लिंक जब आएगी, जो पिन की हुई है लिंक, उस पर आप क्लिक करोगे तो इट विल आस्क यू टू लॉग इन. You will have to sign up with your email ID. So first thing is you sign in there. So there are 7 ways to enter in this, and I will tell you how this is going to work. So आप सोचोगे, my God, 7 ways, how do I do it? This is too much. No, nothing. It's just like click, and you will be done in like literally 7 minutes. And there are going to be 5 prizes, not just one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. 5 prizes. And guess what? You don't have to even wait for shipping. Trust me, it is going to be like this because all these gift cards are going to come to you through email. So I will just do click and you will receive it next minute. It is going to be that fast. So I really can't wait to give that to you. But before that, you know how to enter into this contest or the competition. So there is a link in the comments. I'm also going to pin that link in the comment section, so you have it handy. Just click on that link, log in there first. It will ask you to log into YouTube. Basically that is your login email ID. Then you go. The second thing is you'll get an email, confirm that email so that you are in for the competition. First thing is you have to go and log in. Second thing, very easy, just share it to Facebook so that your friends, your family, your relatives, Everybody can participate here because this is just free, right? Everybody likes free money, so it's like a free money because it's going to be a really free cash card from Amazon. So just share it on your Facebook, and once you do that, you can also share it via email. So you just take that link, if you have a group of your friends, just send it there. That's it. Third option is subscribe to my channel. I want you to come to my channel and see the informative videos and spread the information, so you are well prepared when you're coming here. You really don't have to look anywhere. Just click on my channel and you'll get the wealth of information that you're looking for. So just subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, like me, follow me on my Facebook, watch one of my very informative video which is just going viral. So many people are listening to it, so I want you to listen to that video. And last but not the least is a small questionnaire, just 2 questions where I'm asking which video you like the most and what are the topics that you want me to cover, so that you get more information. So that's about it. You may just feel it's overwhelming, but you see how it is going. It will be done in like literally 5 minutes. Trust me, 5 minutes. And you're going to get 5 gift cards from Amazon. So this is little different competition. So this is a point-based competition. So you will see when you enter into the competition that there are points assigned to each action. So as I said, there are 7 ways to enter. So it's up to you if you want to complete all the 7 actions or just 1 or 2. But you will see on the right there are points. So if you complete all the 7 actions, of course your points will be high. And there are higher chances that you would win because the software would definitely pick up the scores, highest scores for the pool of people, and then from there it would pick up the random winners. So to have the chances of winning, I request you complete all the 7 actions, which are just click, 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 and you are done, and you get more chances to win. So what the email ID you can associate only one time. If you have like 4 Gmail IDs, yes, please go ahead and enter. There is no restriction. You can make as many entries as you want. If you have 5 email IDs, you can enter 5 times. If you have your family members, brother, sister, mother, father, friends, neighbor, girlfriend, boyfriend, sabko bhejo and just enjoy. It's Diwali time. It's a giveaway time and I want you to enjoy. So I'm really excited. This is my first giveaway and I promise you, like, I have many more giveaways that I'm planning to do in my mind, but I really need your support. So let's see how this goes, and I really can't wait to see who is going to be the winner for all these 5 gift cards. So they are waiting for you, and I hope you are also waiting for this. So contest is going to start on 9th of November and it would run for 30 days till 9th of December. Once it is complete, the software will identify who are the highest scorers based on the point system, and it will pick up the random 5 winners. And that's the reason in the questionnaire we've been asking you for your name and email ID. Once the King Sumo identifies the winners, we will send an email to the winner and ask them to confirm their email ID. So please check your email IDs. And if you do not respond within 7 days, then we'll pick up the next best winner. And trust me, this is going to come to you right like next moment. The moment you confirm yes, you will get your Amazon gift card, and then you can click your picture and share it with us on the Instagram, and we would love to see you. So that's about it. I'm so excited to announce this free giveaway. I hope you are also excited. This is something like a free money and I really love it, you guys. You would love it and you would participate in this and take this Amazon gift cards for you, just for you. So see you soon in the competition and click on the link below. See you. Bye-bye.